Okay, this is the Arduino I'm going to use, hopefully, to control my HHO, but just playing with it a little bit. Let me reset it and see if you can recognize the blinking program. This is the Blink 13. But maybe you can actually figure out what it's saying. Anyway, this is the Arduino I'm going to use to control my HHO. My voice is a little scratchy because I've had a sore throat lately. Anyway, any of you out there that know your Morse code can figure out what this poor little Arduino is saying. And if you do, and if you want the program, let me know and I'll post it. But first you got to tell me what it said. Anyway, this is just for your information. And I got tired of that blink on, blink off crap. So this is basically dots and dashes. Little Morse code for you to figure out. For all you hammers out there that know your Morse. And if you're wondering what I'm powering this thing with, I'll show you in a minute. It's kind of interesting. Another little project that I do. I don't just do HHO, I do all kinds of stuff. And I'm not sure if this has gone through the pattern yet. Yeah, there's the end of it right there. Okay, 5-second delay at the end, then it repeats. Between each word, each phrase or word, there is a 2-second delay. At the end of each letter, there's a 1-second delay. The dots are about 1/4 of a second, and the dashes are 1/2 a second. Just to let you know. Let me let it go through its pattern one more time, and then I'll show you a little something. See if it's making it through the pattern. Okay, well that's enough of it for now. Should have gotten the pattern already several times. Not sure. Hopefully that's the end of it. Yeah, maybe. I haven't been watching it. It's kind of hard here in the sun with the... Anyway, the reason I'm outside, if you'll follow the USB cord around, it goes to this. This has a 5-volt and a 5-volt switching regulator. And the reason it's a switching regulator, not a linear, is so that I can get a little more amperage out of it. Because what's powering it, oh crap, my focus isn't going good, is that solar cell over there. Yeah, it's a little out of focus because I had it on close up. But anyway, Comes in here, goes into those capacitors, then gets down rated to 5 volts, comes out the USB, and it powers my Arduino, just for the heck of it. So I can be out in the middle of nowhere playing with my Arduinos if I want to. And it's also mainly for charging my cell phone out in the middle of nowhere. If I want to go hunting, fishing, or whatever, I can charge my cell phone and all that. Anyway, if you get the code, post it below on the YouTube and see what you think. I'll see if you're right. Anybody that gets the code may enjoy the little pun. Okay. Bye for now.